yours for 5 minutes. Got them on? Good. Now just listen. Long ago there lived a man, his name was Carlo, and he ran an ancient theater where his daughter was the star. With me?
Carla's the star, yeah.
No, his daughter's name is Esmeralda, and she's famous. People come to hear her sing from near and far.
Got it.
Good, now there's a rumor going round that in the tunnels underground there lives...
Oh, wait, I know. Can I guess?
Sure, if you can.
A mysterious phantom. Me, right?
Right, well, mostly, but the twist is that this ghostly evil presence isn't monster, but man. Now this man had been blessed with a gift, he possessed musical talents completely unmatched. But as you often will find in epic tales of this kind, this gift came with a curse attached, a face that was hideous and so jarring. He wore a mask to cover all the scarring and lived underground inside a hole.
Wait, a hole? Why a hole?
All his life he'd been tormented, teased, and taunted, but now his hunters would become the haunted. The world that always made him feel unwanted would hear the toll, the sounds of a tortured soul.
Okay, so I was born with a lightning scar. Got it.
No, your typical everyday scar.
Oh, scar like Lion King.
You know, you are actually the worst. Listen up, you're gonna need to know this. One day at his piano, distant sounds of a soprano drifted towards him from the theater above.
Okay, so this hole has a piano?
Sweeter than a bird, in all his life he'd never heard a sound like this, and he was instantly in love. The voice, of course, was Carlo's daughter, and the phantom went and sought her to become his secret student and his muse. And if you think she found this oh so enigmatic virtuoso kinda creepy, then I've got some shocking news. Because she fell hard, he was battered and scarred, but she could see that inside there was more. Something alluring she'd find in the sadness behind that terrifying mask he wore.
Wait a minute, I'm your boyfriend? We're gonna have to kiss? That's gross. You're like my sister.
See, it's called acting. And though he was hideous and she was perfection, through music they found their connection, a bond beyond their own control.
You better not get sick. I am not kissing Tina.
And though his face tormented her and chilled her, his compositions haunted her and thrilled her. His mesmerizing melodies fulfilled her, made her whole. The sounds of a tortured soul.
She was beautiful and he was hideous. Okay, so this is Beauty and the Beast.
Zeke, less talking, more listening, because here's where it gets interesting. As he has another man, some guy named Raoul, who's tall and handsome and not all that pleased about her latest beau.
Ah, always a triangle.
Angrily, Raoul treks into his lair where he attacks him and they battle in the passageway below. Awesome! And when he took his last breath, the phantom welcomed his death. He'd rather die than live apart. When it was over and done, Raoul had killed him. He'd won, but he'd lost Esmeralda's heart. 'Cause though he was pretty, yes, and a keeper, the phantom's love was so much deeper. A loss that nothing could console. No more she'd see that face that once had chilled her. No more she'd hear that music that fulfilled her. And people say that that's the thing that killed her on the whole. She ran away and was never seen again. But get this. When they returned to find the phantom and unmask it, they never found a body for the casket. They say he had, depending who you ask it, one last goal.
One last goal.
To this day inside that theater or near it, if you listen very closely you can hear it. The songs of a tortured spirit's final roll. The sounds of a tortured soul. That's the basic plot anyway.
So it's about a person who died at a theater and then haunts it forever?
Yes.
Brooke, that's just like the story Ms. Walker told. This play is just like the story of our school. That is so meta.